Hello guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be Review channel, and today video I'm going to share with you a surprising method and strategy which will be work from home, and that will be online jobs from home, and that you can make money directly from your home without any hesitation, without any problem, or even any skills that you don't have to do that with that. Actually, if you don't have the skills or you are not familiar with online jobs, so I will show you in today's video Interpretership website actually that you can simply apply into that, and you can start making money from that. So that doesn't need any skills or any requirement, even no exam is there actually that you need to apply for that. So I will show you step by step that how you can do that and how you can earn up to $621 actually with this method and this strategy right now. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you just need to go to internshala.com actually. Okay, internshala.com is a worldwide based website actually that you can just go and sign up for that website for absolutely free. If you don't have, for example, the name, so that is the main address, internshala.com. So once you visit to the main page of this website, internshala.com, so what you need to do, the first and important thing is that you need to just sign up for a free account right here. So if we just talk about that how it is working, they have more than 10,000 internships for free actually, and these are the popular cities on in India actually. But if you are outside of the India, so I will show you also that they have a remote jobs or work from home actually the category, and you just need to go around that and you can also start making money from that. So popular category is in any category that you have skill or don't have the skills. So you can simply sign up in all these categories for any entrepreneurship actually, and you can start making money from today. So what exactly entrepreneurship means? If you don't know, entrepreneurship is a free way actually that you can simply sign up for any website, and you just need to go around that. And what you need to do, you can simply sign up. So once you sign up for that, then they will train you, and after training they can also offer you a job that you just need to go with that. So once you just click on the register button right here, so you will sign up for a free account right here actually. So once you add the email address, you will see this notification that you can simply check your inbox for activation the link or your account actually. So what you need to do, you can simply go to your account right here and your inbox and find out this email address and click on verify. So once you click on the verify button right here, you will be redirected to this page, which will be your main sale or your main page actually, that for you to just start working from here. So you see here that is up to 12,000 plus work from home entrepreneurship jobs actually available on this website, and that is guaranteed stipend up to 45,000 Indian rupees. If we just talk about 45,000 Indian rupees, so this website is based on India. So that's why they use Indian rupees, 45,000 that you can make with this entrepreneurship actually. So if we just calculate 45,000 Indian rupees into US dollars, actually that will become $621 and 60 cents, which is the best amount of money actually that you can simply just earn from home for absolutely free. And another coolest part is here that they have the reward options. Up to 10,000 Indian rupees you can earn as a reward if you take part in the contest. So how you can take part in the contest, I will show you that how you can do that. Simply what you need to do, you can apply for the contest from 17 May to 21st May or 22 May to up to 15th June actually. And after this actually that will be also available if you just click on apply button right here. So how this reward option is working, you see here this copy link button right here. You can simply copy this link and share with your friends and social medias actually. So the more link you share, the more you link people sign up with that. So the more you interact with that, the more coins you will get or points you will get, and the more chances will be for the winning the reward option of 10,000 will be there actually. So you just need to, this is one option for 10,000 rupees actually that you can sign up with that. And another coolest part is here the internship actually that you need to apply for that. Here is the category, whatever the category you need or you have interest with that for the internship, you can simply choose the category right here and then you can apply for that. And here is the location, what locations you want, for example. So you can simply right here choose the location. So whatever the location is there, you can simply choose that and then you can sign up for that for absolutely free and you can start with entrepreneurship. So of course there are money with work from home jobs opportunities there like this one, okay, that you can simply go with the details and just sign up for that. So they give you the full details and training, and after that you will apply for any jobs you want. For example, they will refer you into that for absolutely free. And here you can choose work from home position and also part-time if you want, so you can simply choose. So there are the filter options that you need to go one by one with that. And here there are the details for different entrepreneurship programs actually that you just need to apply. So that was the coolest and the best method that I was about to share with you in today's video. So what I want from you to just go around this website and just take action on the method and just be interested in on entrepreneurship. Just click apply into that for absolutely free, and they will give you the full details, age and everything. And after that, you can apply for that position and you can just start working from home. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.